Amazing Taman Safari Bali, my name is Santi and I'll be your guide for this safari journey. Di aktivitas hari ini kita akan lihat berbagai satwa dari 3 kawasan. So let's have a look at the animals from Indonesia, India, and also Africa.
فيها حيوانات من الإمارات؟
تنهيرة صفقة صفقة يوم الإنديان وصور والله والله تكون فن صفقة بعطيها كلها قامت كلها شوفي كيف فن أنا بصفق
Alright, first animal, let's see from Indonesia. Yeah, on the right side, they are called babi rusa. Yes, in Indonesian, babi means pig and rusa means deer because physically looks like a pig, but the males they have tusk, it looks like a deer's antlers. Ya, jadi jantannya ini memiliki taring ya seperti tanduk pada rusa. This is a critically endangered animal, merupakan satwa yang dilindungi. And then, have a look on your left, di sebelah kiri Anda. There is an owl in the hole of the tree. Ada seekor burung hantu di dalam lubang pohon.
Burung hantu tuh?
Yup, and did you know that owl they have 3 eyelids? Mereka punya 3 kelopak mata for blinking, sleeping, and to keep the eyes clean. Ya, untuk berkedip, tidur, dan menjaga kebersihannya.
تنقز عليك ترى أنا مسكته
Ya tadi babi ya.
يلا تقولوا من هند وين أنا بصفق الله رشيد
Let's see the next animal, still on the left, masih di sebelah kiri. Can you see them? Yeah, that's the saltwater crocodile. Ada buaya muara di dalam air.
Ini. Ada buaya tuh. Besar ya ini di sini
Ya,
juga.
buaya adalah reptil terbesar di dunia.
Mau lihat di
That
sini.
can live, this animal can live around 70 until 100 years. Bisa hidup sekitar 70 sampai 100 tahun.
Udah kelihatan ya? Ah, di bawah. Bawah tuh. Oh, besar ya. Gak apa-apa. Kita di mobil.
Now we are going to see the largest mammal on land. Ini dia mamalia terbesar di darat.
Gajah.
Elephant. Sini ada gajah. This is Sumatran elephants from Indonesia, which is the second smallest species after the pygmy elephant from Borneo. Nah, gajah Sumatera adalah spesies terkecil kedua di dunia setelah gajah pygmy atau gajah kerdil dari Kalimantan. Goodbye, elephants.
Bye. Hey.
صوروني ليش شو هتقول أنت ليش كذا
Dedek. Oh, dedek.
ما أنا
Look at this one.
هذا ما
This is banteng or Bali's cow. Yep, they're actually from Java Island but have been domesticated to help Bali's farming. That's why we call them Bali's cow. Nah, yang kecil-kecil ini rusa Jawa. This is Javan deers. Rusa Jawa atau menjangan. To
Menjangan.
differentiate male and female is by the antlers. The male have the antlers and the female don't. Jadi yang jantan punya tanduk, betinanya tidak punya.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, look at this unique animal. Does anyone know the name of that animal? Ada yang tahu nama satwanya?
Tapir.
Ya, tapir. Benar sekali. This is called tapir. They look like a pig, but still related with horse and rhino. Ya, meski terlihat seperti babi, tapir itu masih kerabat dengan kuda dan juga badak.
Lagi dimakan dia.
Alright, now let's go to Borneo Island. Kita menuju ke Kalimantan. And here I have my friends. Orangutan. Nah, ini teman-teman saya dari Kalimantan. Yap, they are enjoying the lunch. Lagi makan siang. Orangutans are not monkey because this animal doesn't have a tail, so they are apes. Mereka ini jenis kera atau primata, bukan monyet karena tidak punya ekor. Alright, so after we saw the cute orangutan, it's time for us to drive through the water. Kini kita akan memasuki rawa-rawa Kalimantan.
Wih.
Oh, look at the orangutan.
Tuh, bergantung tuh, Dek. Bergantung, climbing. Ada yang bobo.
You should have taken a listen to that. Okay, Rashid. Ben كيف يمشي صورة؟ بس يقول معلم.
Alright, back in the water again. Kita kembali memasuki air. Yep, on the left side. Can you see that? Can you
Yeah.
spot the animal?
Yeah.
Yang bisa lihat? What is it? It's a bear ya. It's a honey bear or sun bear. Ada beruang madu atau beruang matahari. It's right at the back. Ada di belakang pohon. Yeah, they're looking for shelter. Lagi berteduh because of the rain. They are the smallest species of bear in the world. Beruang terkecil di dunia. Yeah, just like the name, they love honey, so they are the real life Winnie the Pooh. Really different from the cartoon. Ya, beda sekali ya dengan kartunnya. In the cartoon it's yellow, but in real life the actual color is black. Ya, sebenarnya warnanya hitam, kalau di kartun warnanya kuning. Alright, right after the swamp, setelah kita menjelajahi rawa-rawa, it's time for us to enter the jungle. Kita akan memasuki kawasan hutan.
بيجي
دبل فنس.
Welcome to the tropical rainforest of Sumatra. Kita sudah masuk ke kawasan hutan hujan tropis. Right, can anyone guess what's the next animal? Ada bisa menebak satwa berikutnya? Tiger? Yes, you are right. There is a tiger. Ada seekor harimau.
مفتوح عليه.
The tiger now will be on the right side. Sekarang ada di sebelah kanan.
Tuh, dekat banget. Tuh, dekat banget tuh. Lihat, dekat banget. Tuh. Oh. Dekat
Oh,
banget.
look at him. Yep, tigers are the biggest species of cat in the world. Ini spesies kucing terbesar di dunia. So here we have Sahir, and he is about 9 years old. Usianya sekitar 9 tahun.
Dekat ya.
Right, goodbye Sahir. See you next time. Sampai jumpa.
Goodbye.
Alright, the second gate and the second bumpy bridge. Kini kita akan melewati jembatan getar yang kedua. Alright, for this one, prepare yourself. Say ah together as we cross it. Kita bilang ah bersama-sama saat melewatinya. In 3, 2, and 1. Say ah everyone. Ah. Yeah, that was a free massage. Pijat gratis pada pagi hari. Alright, from Indonesia, let's go to India. Namaste. Nah, kalau di Indonesia kita ada rusa Jawa, di India mereka punya rusa tutul. They have so many spotted deers. This is the real life Bambi. So many Bambis. Yeah, so if the antlers of the male is broken, it can grow back again, like hairs and fingernails. Ya, kalau tanduk jantannya patah, bisa tumbuh lagi seperti kuku atau rambut manusia. They're really good at camouflaging as well because of the white spots all over the body. Oh, look, you see another animal on the left. This is Himalayan black bear. Ini beruang hitam Himalaya, which is the biggest species in Asia. Yeah, there's one sleeping, yeah, on top of the tree log, lagi tidur di atas batang pohon. They can be found in the tropical forest around Himalaya. Yep, so leaving the beautiful India, now we have entered Africa. Sudah masuk ke kawasan ketiga.
Kuda nih.
In the water, there's hippo.
Hippo.
Ada kudanil. Ya, meski namanya kudanil, mereka tidak satu keluarga dengan kuda, tetapi ikan paus. Ya, hippos are still related with the whale. Nah, namun mereka ini tidak bisa berenang ya seperti ikan paus, hanya dapat ditemukan di perairan dangkal saja. Yep, although still related with the whales, hippos cannot swim, so they can only be found in shallow water. They actually sink into the water. Let's see what we have here. They like to hide. Yang satu ini suka sembunyi. Can you spot them? Ada yang bisa lihat di mana ya satunya?
Tuh. Apa itu?
Oh, on the right. Yeah, this is hyena
Aina.
from the Lion King movie. This is the bad guy. Ya, ini karakter yang jahat ya. They always be the villain. Yeah, so hyenas are the enemies of lions. Musuhnya singa. They like to steal the lion's food in a group. And once they have done that, the hyenas will laugh, which will intimidate the lions even more. Ya, kalau sudah merebut makanannya singa, biasanya hyena ini akan tertawa jahat. Ya, mereka akan lebih menakut-nakuti si singa. That's why lion doesn't like them. Ya, singa tidak begitu suka dengan mereka. Alright, so now we have entered savanna of Africa to see different species of antelope.
Kiri.
The first is eland. Nah, yang pertama ini eland ya. They are the largest and also the slowest species. Spesies antelope paling besar dan larinya paling lambat. Still related with cows. That's why they look like them. Seperti sapi ya, karena memang masih kerabat.
Iya, lucu ya.
The ostrich is just chilling. Chilling under the rain. Lagi santai-santai di bawah hujan.
Patung ya itu ya, burung unta ya benar ya.
Iya, ada kerot ya. Yeah, this is ostrich. They are the biggest and also the fastest bird on land. Ya, burung terbesar dan tercepat di darat. Mereka kecepatannya bisa mencapai 70 km per jam, around 70 km per hour. That's how fast they can run. Ya, just as fast as a scooter, seperti secepat motor ya, 70 km. Ya, let's see another species of antelopes. Kita lihat antelope lainnya. Ya, yang sebelah kiri, on the left, this is waterbuck. Ya, namanya waterbuck, bukan martabak ya, waterbuck.
Waterpark.
It looks like donkey, and they can produce waterproof liquid to protect the skin and fur. Ya, they don't have to worry about the rain. Mereka tidak perlu khawatir dengan hujan karena bisa menghasilkan cairan anti air.
Lusa. Hai Dir.
Oh, we got a small traffic. Macet sedikit ya. Yeah, the ostrich. Oh, they're running. Yeah. Oh, you see a chicken? Yeah, so on the right side, it's a bird. They actually eat like the insects on the animals. Ya, burungnya itu makanin serangga-serangga atau kutu pada satwa. And then that one, not humans. Yeah, that is lechwe. They are one of the fastest antelope and can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. Nah, ini kecil-kecil cabai rawit ya, namanya lechwe. Kecepatan larinya bisa sampai 80 km per jam. Salah satu antelope tercepat. They are cheetah's favorite food. Ya, makanan kesukaannya cheetah. We have seen the antelopes, now let's see their predators. Kita sudah lihat antelopnya, sekarang kita lihat predator mereka.
شطيني لو نعشيش مالنا
I think they're also hiding because of the rain. Probably on the left side in the cave. Nah, di sebelah kiri di dalam gua.
Tuh.
A tiger? It doesn't have stripes. So that would be the lioness.
Lion.
Yeah, female lion. Nah, ini singa betina.
Di dalam gua.
Yup, there's two of them. Ada 2 ekor di dalam. Yup, they don't like the rain, unlike the tigers. Tidak suka hujan-hujanan. Ya, beda sekali dengan harimau. Yes, they're just chilling there as well. And you know that the lioness or lion can spend 20 hours every day for sleeping or to take a rest. Ya, 20 jam sehari dihabiskan untuk tidur atau istirahat. What a dream. Let's see what we have next. Oh, the tallest mammal on land.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Ada 2 ekor jerapah. Yeah, we have the big one and then the young one. So the big one is about 13 years old and then the young one is 4 years old. Yang tinggi itu 13 tahun, yang kecil 4 tahun. Both are females. Keduanya betina. Yeah, you can also see zebras.
Hi zebra.
Yeah, hello zebra. This is Griffith zebra,
Hi, zebra.
which is the biggest species in the world.
Hi,
Ini spesies zebra terbesar di dunia. Seperti sidik jari manusia, setiap ekor zebra di seluruh dunia polanya berbeda-beda. Yep, just like our fingerprints, every single zebra all around the world, they all have different patterns. Mammals. Berikutnya, unta.
Unta, Dedek. Unta.
Oh, look at the mouth. Alright, this is 2 Hammonds camels. Yang ini punya 2 punuk. Yep, a lot of people think camel's hump consists of water, but it's actually fat as their energy supply. Ya, di dalam punuk mereka itu isinya bukan air, tetapi lemak untuk cadangan energi. Yeah, so they got extra energy, yeah, because they have 2 humps. Oh look, something is blocking the road. Ada yang menghalangi jalan. Yeah, this cow is quite stubborn. Not moving an inch. Yeah, this is red African cows or Watusi. Namanya Watusi atau sapi merah Afrika. Yep, they use these cows as a wedding gift in Africa, especially Maasai tribes, because they are a very sacred cows. Ini sapi yang sangat suci ya di Afrika, digunakan sebagai mas kawin. Oh, another cool animal at the top. Ada satwa keren berikutnya di atas. Namanya kambing gunung. That's the Barbary sheep. Yeah, the way they got on top of the mountain is not by climbing, but hop from one rock to another one. Ya, dia lompat dari satu batu ke batu lainnya. Yeah, they can jump up to 2 meters high. Lompatannya bisa mencapai 2 meter. They can jump really high, yes, to avoid the predators like leopards. Yeah, they're scared of the leopards. We have entered another area. This is Panorama of Africa. Let's see the next animal. Oh look! A rhino, and he's covered in mud. Ya, habis mandi lumpur ini ya badannya. Let's see who this is. This is Mr. Nelson. Mr. Nelson is about 29 years old. Ya, sudah cukup tua ya, 29 tahun. And usually can live up to 60 years. bisa hidup hingga sekitar 60 tahun. That's another species of zebra called Chapman zebra. Instead of 2, they have 3 colors. Nah, yang spesies ini punya 3 warna, black, white, and brown. Ada sedikit warna coklat, but it's not dirty. Bukan kotor ya, bagian dari genetik mereka. Part of the genetics. Oh, have a look at this one. Yeah, the big one is the male. Jadi yang besar ini jantannya. The small one is female. They're a couple. Nah, ini pasangan ya. The male name is Shingo and the female name is Azanti. Ya, Azanti tidak bersama Anang di sini, tapi bersama Shingo. Yeah, the long neck is really excellent lookout for the predators and also to fight another giraffe by swing it around. Ya, leher panjang jerapah juga digunakan untuk melawan jerapah jantan lain dengan cara diayun-ayunkan. Okay, we're going to cross our third bridge, everyone. Jembatan getar ketiga in 3, 2, 1, say And welcome to the Sofa Lion restaurant area. Oh, that's the king. Nah, ini dia rajanya. Yeah, don't wake him up. Yeah. Yeah, they are actually not the king of the jungle, unfortunately. Yeah, because they don't live in the jungle. Lions only lives in savanna of Africa, so they are the king of savanna. The king of the jungle would be the tiger. Ya, raja hutan sebenarnya harimau ya, karena mereka lah yang tinggal di hutan, bukan singa. Ya, see, sleepyhead. Mereka tukang tidur. Hello Saka, his name is Saka by the way. Saka is very friendly. Should we open the door?
You think that is okay? We will kill
Ranger جاهزين اي شيء يصير
And we have the last bumpy bridge, everyone. Jembatan getar terakhir in 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so after we stroll around in India and also Africa, let's go back to Indonesia. Yeah, they're still blocking the road. The cows. Masih aja menghalangi jalan. Alright, back in Indonesia, we're able to see more elephants. Ketemu lagi kita dengan gajah.
Hi elephant.
Hello.
Hi elephant. Hi elephant.
Yeah, so this is all female Sumatran elephants because they have short and small tusks. Ya, jadi kalau gajah Asia, betinanya itu punya gading kecil dan pendek. Beda dengan gajah Afrika, baik jantan dan betina sama-sama punya gading panjang. Yeah, so African elephants, both male and female, they have long and also strong tusks. And did you know that the pregnancy period of an elephant takes almost 2 years for one baby? Ya, masa kehamilannya 2 tahun ya untuk satu bayi saja. And once the baby was born, they can weigh up to 130 kilograms. Ya, itu yang baru lahir, bobotnya mencapai 130 kilo. Yeah, and the elephants here, they have really special hobby. Punya hobi yang sangat spesial, which is eating. Yes, their hobby is eating. One elephant here can eat almost 200 kilograms of food and 150 liters of water every day. Ya, satu ekor tuh hampir 200 kilo rumput dan 150 liter air setiap harinya. And currently we have 31 elephants. Ada 31 ekor. Would you like to take one? Free elephants. Gajah gratis. Alright, so that elephant, actually the last animal all for this safari journey, everyone. We really hope you enjoy that. Ya, Gajah tadi adalah satwa kami yang terakhir. But after this, at 11:35, you can watch the elephant presentation at Kampung Gajah. Ya, jam 11:35 bisa menonton presentasi gajah di Kampung Gajah. Alright, it's time for us to go back to Toraja Terminal.